But it's very hard to pick a favourite.
The goldfinches and that flying around here is just great, aren't they?
That's a good video.
And we are now a bit more limited because of the avian influenza outbreak. It's got quite bad. It means that we're limited to flying them across the valley because if they do encounter you can see he's quite white, and the females actually have a lot of, sorry, did that fall? Spots all down the chest. But yeah,
Do it for that one after? I'll wait for it to go back.